Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide all unused columns or rows within your Excel spreadsheet. Let's get started. One thing you want to take note of when you're trying to remove all unused rows or columns is that you cannot delete them because they'll just be replaced. So what you want to do instead is highlight the first column to the right of your data. Use the keyboard combination Ctrl-Shift-Right to get to the end. Right-click and instead select the Hide option. You'll notice now all those additional columns that weren't being used are no longer displaying. We can do the same thing with rows. I'll click row 6. This time, I'll use the keyboard combination Ctrl-Shift-Down to get to the bottom. Right-click and select Hide. Now I have a view for my users that allows them to focus on only the important data without seeing the unnecessary rows or columns. Now if you'd like to unhide the rows or columns that you've hidden, you can click this icon up in the top left, and this will highlight your entire spreadsheet. You can then right-click one of the columns and select Unhide. That'll unhide all the columns. Then you can right-click one of the rows, select Unhide, and that'll unhide all the rows. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.